stop playing with him.
Jada Vinci in his bitch. Okay. I'm so bad I got him twerking with me.
So today we're gonna do a little beauty DIY. We're gonna be making our vanity today. Dun, 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 dun. Mind you, don't look at this mess. I'm currently putting together this body is on swole. Today we're gonna be turning this mirror. Story time real quick.
Yeah.
Me and Gab, we were on our way to a music video shoot. We passed by this house and it had all this stuff outside like it was a yard sale. Gavin was like, you want me to pull over? And then I was really just lost for words because I saw this mirror and I was just so intrigued, like, of course I want you to pull over. So he was like, okay, I'm gonna pull up. I get out, run up, and I'm like, hello, hello. Is anybody here? Hello. A lady comes out and she's like, hi, how may I help you? And I was like, how much is that mirror? And I just didn't point to anything. I was just like, how much is that mirror? And then she was like, oh, the mirrors are $10. I said, I didn't say nothing because I just gave her the $10 real quick, like, okay. You know, and then Gab was already hopped out the car. Me and him struggling to carry the mirror because it's kind of heavy. Her grandma, or maybe her mom, comes out and she's like, you better say thank you because that mirror was not supposed to be $10. I knew that mirror wasn't supposed to be $10, but thank you, I've already exchanged the money. We now have the mirror in our hand. She's like, good day. She is excited about her $10 purchase. I am too. But yeah, Granny was mad. Thank you guys so much if you're watching this vlog or video. You guys are the reason. I'm about to have my dream vanity. Let's go get it. I'm gonna start off by taping up the mirror. The mirror's gotta be taped. Gavin was like, get some painter's tape. I didn't give a, I was gonna use some regular Scotch tape. He's like, you're gonna be all pissed when the, what'd he say? When the paint is all over your mirror. Like, why would the paint be all over my mirror? I planned to do a good job, you know? Oh, maybe I should tell him to get a brush too. Okay, so Gavin is he's on his way to the store to get me a paintbrush and some painter's tape. You're gonna need some acrylic paint, and then finally, you're gonna need some bulbs. So let me get the bulbs for you. This is the box they came in, and I got 2. They come with 10 each. So the bulbs are like this. They have adhesive stickers. Okay, it says that the colors dry in 15 minutes. So I'm gonna just paint my mirror, and I'm actually using it's thick because this mirror was very banged up. I was really dirty. I cleaned the mirror first and then I painted it. So this is just gonna help make it refreshed, make it look new, make it look cute. And I did it a few times too, just so you're aware. Now I'm cleaning the mirror. The mirror is completely dried in 15 minutes. We're just checking to make sure that the lights work. Light on, light off, light on, light off, light on, light off. And then we're going to, I like to twist it because it helps hide the cords. And then you're gonna just literally stick the adhesive at the bottom and place it on the mirror. It's like super simple. Wherever you stick that adhesive down and then place it on the mirror, that's where it's gonna stick. And that stuff, like once you stick it down, you're gonna have to peel it again, but once you stick it down, it's not going anywhere. This is how I hide the additional wires. I literally just take tape and then tape it to the frame. It's so easy. Like, this was the easiest DIY project. It was super cheap because I got the mirror for 10 bucks. The bulbs were like 40 bucks. I don't quite remember, but I'm gonna link it in the description. And yeah, now I'm just taping it to the side so the wires are invisible. That's a good word for it, but yeah, that's really it. And then the mirror's done.
Got 'em asking questions, I'm designing to the fitting. If you want me at your party, man, just text me that. It's